Start.
Good morning students, how are you? Hope everyone is fine. Today we will discuss the 7th chapter of Urban Administration. In the previous chapter we have discussed the Rural Administration. In this chapter we will discuss the following points. First of all I will tell you a story, then I will tell you the ward councillor and administrative staff, then how does the municipal corporation gets its money, then community protest, and in the last I will tell you about what has changed since Khala retired.
So students, this chapter begins with the story. In this story, three children were playing a game of cricket in the street. The children broke the street light while playing cricket. They didn't know whom did the street light belong to. They went to Rehana's mother who gave them the knowledge that it's the municipal corporation of the city that takes care of replacing lights. She also told them that Yasmin Khala would be the best person because she had just retired from the municipal corporation. She advised the children to go to Yasmin Khala's to get their problems solved. So, first of all, I will tell you who is ward councillor. Ward councillors are elected by the people living of their ward. The ward councillors are responsible for the construction of hospitals. Group of councillors make a budget and the money is spent according to this. Committees of ward councillors look after the water, garbage collection and street lighting. What are the duties of ward councillor? Ward councillor make the budget. They look into demands of their respective wards. They assign the task of implementation to the administrative staff. What is administrative staff? Ward people can approach ward councillors regarding their problem within a ward. Members of the ward councillor committees decide on various issues. Commissioners and administrative staff implement the issues. In the next video, I will tell you about the municipal council and the municipal corporation. Students, yesterday I told you the story and who is ward councillor, what are the duties of ward councillor and administrative staff. Today we will discuss about the municipal council and municipal corporation and community protest. So first of all, I will tell you what is municipal council. It is the organization that looks after the welfare of small towns is known as municipal council. It is an administrative department in the cities. It supervises the division of work in different departments. It includes the Department of Water, garbage collection, construction of roads, sanitization, etc. Municipalities are towns that have population over 80,000 residents each. Members that form the municipal council are the councillors. MPs of the constituency in the municipal and national MPs residing in the municipalities. Now, next topic is municipal corporation. What is municipal corporation? It is the organization that takes care of big cities is known as municipal corporation. The councillors are elected for 5 years. From the councillors, the mayor is elected. 1/3 seats are reserved for women. Seats are also reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. The municipal commissioner is the chief executive officer. What are the functions of municipal corporation? The main functions of the municipal corporation are as follows. First is health and sanitization. It runs hospitals and dispensaries. It teaches people about preventive measures to avoid diseases. Second, electricity and water supply. It supplies the electricity and water to all citizens. Third is education. It provides education to all citizens. Our schools are dedicated to giving students the skill, tools and confidence they need for a lifetime success. From preparing graduates for their first exciting foray into the business world to helping busy professionals broaden their career possibilities, we provide flexible curriculum and scheduling smaller classes with hands-on instructions and evident personal attention, and most importantly, a practical education. Fifth is our discretionary functions. Entertainment, cultural activities, sport activities and welfare services are looked after by the municipal corporation. Our next topic is community protest. Ward community can submit its petition to the ward councillor. Collective action taken is by the ward engineer and ward council. Petitions are forwarded to the municipal corporation office. Municipal corporation solves the issues. Thank you and have a nice day.